Hi everyone. These days, people have more than one email account personal, work, university, maybe more. Each one fills up with subscriptions, deals, and message waiting for a reply. Keeping track of all of it by hand is too much, so it never gets done. Subscription Sweep fixed this. It's built with Google ADK and Gemini. It's read each email, remembers what you decide before, and never asks you the same thing twice. Two AI agents work together. One reads the email and figure out what it's this. The other write the reply or cancellation for you. Everything is saved. So once you cancel Netflix, it won't ask you again. This is the dashboard. It shows emails waiting for decision grouped by type, subscriptions, deals, and replies. For each one, you just click a button, cancel or keep, act or ignore, reply or ignore. Once you decide, it remembers for good. After you decide, the agent writes the message for you. You can a cancellation email, a reply, or a note about a deal. It never sends anything by itself. You always check it first. That's subscription sweep. Decide one, it's remember forever.